Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make a 3-in-1 hair bonnet. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. We post videos every Tuesdays and Friday every week. So today we're going to be learning how to make, like I said, a 3-in-1 hair bonnet. So first thing you want to do is to layer two fabrics, satin fabrics, right side facing right side, and you want to fold that in four, just like this. After you folded it in four, you want to measure about 15 inches round. So we are trying to cut out a circle right here. So this is like a perfect and easy way to cut both fabrics, but if it's not easy for you, you can cut a fabric at a time, then you can just place the already cut one on the other and then trim it out. But this works easy for me, and I promise you I made this hair bonnet under 30 minutes. So then you want to trim out your line just like that. So don't mind the fact that I'm struggling with it, because obviously the material is very thick and my scissors is not all that sharp, but it came out nice anyway. So this is it, and here is already cut out fabric just like that. If you do not want to use 15 inches, you feel it's too big, you can reduce yours to 13. So here it is, like I said, right side facing right side. You want to pin that together all around, and after you've pinned that together, you want to sew it round, leaving about 3 inches opening. So I did like half an inch sewing round. I'm going to trim that out, so it might not really look like half an inch, but I promise you it's half an inch. So you can see the opening right there, about 2 inches or so, 2.5 I guess. And then I want to, this is me trimming the excess so that it's not so bulky once I fold it a bit. Yes, fold it out. So after you're done trimming, you want to turn it out. Yes, okay, you want to fold the ends that you turned out and sew that out. So this is I used crepe, so you can get a stretchy crepe, those light stretchy crepe. I didn't get that, so I used this, and I promise you it worked perfectly for me. So I measured 22 for the width, for the length rather, and 6 for the width, and then sew the sides. So the easy way I did it was I sewed the width, the length rather am I making mistake, before I joined the width together, in the sense that it's the joint part stays inside of the hairband, but whatever works for you is also fine. Then here I marked 4 places on the circle in a way that I'll be attaching the hairband just like this. I'm marking it the same way, 4 sides. Make sure the lines are actually equal, the spacing has to be equal when you're marking it. So the idea of this is when I'm sewing it, I know exactly where I should join, if you get my point. So you're going down by 1.5 before you join the hairband, or the headband rather. So you can see that's how you'll be placing it, and I'm going to pin that down. So you can actually pleat the bonnet before you join the hairband, but I find this much more easier. So I don't think there was no way I'll be able to make mistake this way if you understand. Yes, so 1.5 inches. So those parts I marked is what I'm joining together this way. So when I'm pleating, it will be easier for me to sew, so I know exactly where I am, and so I don't leave excess pleating in one side or less in the other side. So it's just a way of following a proper measurement. So this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to be taking that to the machine now, and I'm going to sew it, but I'm going to firstly pin all the sides together before I join the hairband together with the main bonnet. So just like that. So now that I've pinned all the sides together, like I said, I'm going to be placing that. So yeah, I've done it, half of it now. You can see how it's looking. You can see that, you see that it's actually making sense. It's making sense. So here it is. You can see the parts where I joined, and you can see where the hair bonnet is. It's really looking neat and nice, and this is the remaining parts that I haven't joined together. So I'm just trying to show you how it works. Just an easy method. You can see I placed my hand through it so that you can see the difference between the hair bonnet and the bonnet. The band and the bonnet itself. So we're going to be joining that completely all around. So here now, the hair bonnet is done. It's like magic. It's done, and it's looking really, really, really nice. And yes, I'm going to be wearing it to show you exactly how it looks on my head. It looks nice. So you see, this obviously 3-in-1. You can see, if you don't want to wear the band, you can leave that. You can anyhow you like it. So yes, you can see me wearing it for you. It looks really nice. And if you really enjoyed my tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and please subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. If you have any questions, please drop that in the comment section and I'll address it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful blessed day. Bye.